Mathematics, Analysis and Approaches, Paper 1, Time Zone 1, HL, May 2025. This is question number 1 of 5 marks. He has given us a function and he wants us to find out the local minimum point P, Q, where P is greater than 0. And that is it, right? 5 marks for it. For finding the maximum or the minimum point, or basically the extreme point, we differentiate the function and equate that to 0, right? And that's when we get the extrema. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for this. So we have the function, which is f of x as equal to 4x cubed divided by 3 minus 16x. We differentiate this. We're going to get 4 into 3x squared divided by 3 minus 16. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So what I remain with is f dash of x as equal to 4x squared minus 16. And obviously, as I mentioned, for extremum, f dash of x is going to be equal to 0. That means 4x squared minus 16 is equal to 0. So that gives me the value for x squared is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 2. However, because he says that the value of p has to be greater than 0, I can take x is equal to 2. Now I need to find the y coordinate of it. So let's take the x value as 2 and substitute it in this function. When x is equal to 2, f of 2 is simply going to be equal to 4 into 2 cube divided by 3 minus 16 into 2. So that's 8 4s are 32 divided by 3 minus 32. Taking an LCM, that's simply going to be equal to 32 minus 3 times of 32 divided by 3, and that is simply minus 2 times of 32 divided by 3, which is minus 64 divided by 3. So your p value is 2 and your q value is minus 64 by 3. That's it for this question. Thank you.